Hello students, I'm on a tractor ride at the pumpkin patch or the pumpkin farm. I'm going to go and choose a pumpkin today. The pumpkins are all different sizes, different forms. There's big pumpkins and little pumpkins. Which pumpkin should I choose? Picking a pumpkin is an American tradition during the fall season. ¿Cómo se dice el tractor en inglés? The tractor. Repite, the tractor. I'm going to choose a pumpkin. The pumpkins are different sizes, different forms. There's big pumpkins, there's little pumpkins. Which pumpkin should I choose? Picking a pumpkin is a traditional American custom in the United States. Ciao.